Here are the Mod 14.1 notes. This is page 6. Again, may want to pause, read through this first if you haven't already done that. I just want to point out a couple of things here. So as we talk about confidence intervals, sometimes you will see the margin of error referred to MOE or just E. Again, mathematicians lazy, don't always want to write out margin of error. Second thing, and read this, think about it, then read it again. The smaller the margin of error, the smaller the width of the confidence interval. I guess that's grammatically gross, but I apologize. I will fix that on my next set of notes. If our margin of error is 2%, that means my estimate should only go 2% above and below my point estimate. That is going to make a confidence interval that's tighter or smaller than going 5% above and below. Okay. What I said on the last one, there is no way to be 100% certain. We are taking information from a sample. Okay. So our confidence intervals are going to have some sort of range that is less than 100%. Okay, so if I back up to 2, which you've read, we will identify the confidence level within our interval. A 95% confidence interval is fairly common. 99%, 90 you will see a lot. We will talk about that moving forward. In the real world, size of the margin of error is going to be different for each situation we talk about. Okay. And the last thing, the size of the margin of error depends on 2 things: the sample size and the confidence level we are looking at. As the sample size increases, the margin of error decreases. And we saw that when we talked about sampling distributions. The larger the sample, the tighter in all of our information got. Okay. Also, as the confidence level increases, the margin of error increases. And so our width of our confidence interval will also increase. And so we've got 2 pictures here that take a look at what happens in A as our sample size gets larger, and in B as our confidence interval gets smaller. Okay, smaller confidence interval, lower confidence level, larger confidence interval, larger confidence level.